Another thing on the Navisworks is the autosave option. You can access the autosave from the application button here, and you click on options. Inside of options on the general, and you will see autosave here, the last one. The autosave, enable autosave is checked. If you uncheck this, you won't have the autosave option enabled, and you can enable this autosave. It will autosave any file you are working on. In this path, it will make another version of your file with an extension .autosave, as it mentioned here. You can manage the disk space. You can purge old autosave files when the file exceeds 512 megabytes, or you can choose the option of autosave alongside the current file. It would make the autosave version in the same path you are working on of the file you are working on. The frequency of time save, or the frequency between saves, is 15 minutes. That's a good amount of time. You don't need to change it. And the history, it would make the three last version of the file you are working on. Each file you are working on would have 3 versions when you click save, like the Revit that have history versions of the same file. You can click OK, or you can click defaults if you don't want to save the change that I have did, the autosave along the current file, or you can click OK to exit.